What's good, Mozillas? I'm gonna make this short and sweet. We finally got the car back out on the track and had Hussain fly over from Texas to continue dialing in the car. Unfortunately, we only made a total of 11 passes due to the bad Florida weather in the allotted time that was given. 8 of those were a total nightmare due to high temperatures and limiting factors associated. In the next series of videos I'm gonna play will be only of the few record-breaking passes, leaving out the hiccups. The record passes were made on a moderate amount of boost. This car has so much more in it, so if you're new here, stick around, and as always guys, enjoy. A little better. 10-3. Cutting.
That's your record, right?
Oh wait, that is the record. My,
that is the record.
get your camera.
Oh fuck yeah, I gotta get a nice picture of it. I want a fucking 9. I mean, between the launch and the end.
Yeah.
Things and that should, you know, should be nice. Let me see if I can turn up the boost before I leave.
10-3, bro.
Congratulations, you now have the rear wheel drive record.
But I don't have a draggy on.
It doesn't matter, listen. Go around that way.
Yeah.
Go around this way, make a U-turn halfway.
Yeah.
Face this, I'm gonna take a picture of the car with the board.
Alright.
You'll run it again, but I want to get this picture first.
Brought both babies out today. I got like an 11.0, and then this car got a 10.24 on the draggy, right? 10.24?
10.24.
Sheesh. That's the rear wheel drive Q50 record right there.
It's fucking trash weather, bro.
This car is not even on full boost.
Let's go, baby.
Bye, Papa Hussain. How'd it feel though?
It feels good, but basically what's going on is up top it's losing a little bit of steam. I think Hussain's gonna dial that in, but it definitely has 9 seconds in it. We did 10.2, 10.3.
Right on time.
Yeah.
We're about to get
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, oh my god. Yeah, so as I was saying, 10.3 at 89 degrees, fucking 2500 DA. Top end still needs to get dialed in a little bit because we're getting 133, 135 top
Yeah.
speed. I think this car is capable of over 140 miles per hour trap. It just needs to get dialed in.
Yeah.
Just didn't have enough time today, but that's for another day. But this car definitely has 9 seconds in it.
No, for sure. Make sure to follow Turbo Pete on Instagram, on YouTube. I'm gonna link
his IG, his YouTube, in the description and here on the screen.
Let's go. Follow that guy too. If you're watching this, follow him, ZillaFullBoost. He actually puts out a lot of good stuff for the platform, pushes the platform forward. Definitely give him a like, subscribe, do all that for me.